Go along watering them again. Slow down. Aww. Our next job, right, is to put chicken poo on everything we've planted.
Chicken poo!
Yeah.
Why are you going for that? Smell it. Smell this, Mum.
Sussy.
Careful.
There you go then, darling. Daddy show you what to do.
Right. Just a little tiny bit. Right, and put it on where you've put your seed. Go on, put it on top. Perfect. Alright guys, it's Saturday, it's the 20th of March, and I've popped down this evening to give you a look at what we've been working on today, because me and the family popped down this morning and we did a few jobs. We didn't film it, so I thought I'd pop down this evening and give you a look, and just a quick look at everything and smash the video out. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I hope everyone is keeping sane, and I hope everyone's managing okay. It's a really tough time. I don't want to go on about it too much, but remember guys, keep safe and let's do this all together. Anyway, let's go. So we've got marigolds coming through nicely there. I've took the lid off. Peas coming through nicely. We've got curly kale starting to germinate. Leeks, perfect. Sprouting cabbage, good. These are really nice. Bit leggy, I don't know if that's normal. Bright lights, really nice. Cucumbers doing well. I've replanted it, filled it up to the top, like people said. I might put a ring round it as well. Tomato plants are in, and pepper plants are in. These have been potted by me and Harry this morning, which are the sunflowers. Right, so I'll give you a quick tour outside anyway. Let's go. So everything's looking good with the strawberries. They've picked up, really look healthy. We've got the rhubarb, that's looking really healthy now. Not much to show down here, that still needs digging over. We've got an extra slab in here. That's really helping things along. Just need to put an extra slab in there. I've raked this over to here, so that looks a lot better. In fact, I think all of the beds look a lot better, apart from that one. So, onions looking really good. And then you can see there, me and Harry just put a line of beetroot in. Just a small line of beetroot. Tulips looking good, coming up, you can see the colour. So that's going to be really good. These bulbs are coming up as well. Them tulips I planted late are shooting through here, look. Harry's got his own little vegetable patch here. I did the shed up just now, just when I come up this evening. So that's a lot better, because I don't want people tripping over, you know what I mean. Raspberry canes have been dropped off by someone, which was nice of them. I don't know who it was, but I think it's because he's seen that these aren't growing that well. So there's only that one there. Them 4 from Tesco's, there's only that one there that's grown, and there's only that one there. So might be a bit too early to tell. Look at these blueberries. So I've moved this out. You might notice I've moved that into the full sun. Half a row peas, because what I'm thinking is if these do start coming through, I can put the ones I've done in the greenhouse, like this side here, like just plant them because they're in the loo rows. This is looking a lot better because it was from the compost pile, and that's definitely rotted down in the last couple of weeks. I'll just give it a rake and it's broke up dead nice. This is the only one that needs raking. This one this one is the bed I did first with the compost and the farmyard manure. So that was done a few months ago, maybe last month, and you can tell how much better it's broke down. It's so nice compared to these. It's like you can tell which one I've done first, second, third. That one might have been fourth, I think, fifth and sixth. So yeah. So guys, I think that's all we've got time for today. Just a quick tour, like I said. So catch you later. In the next episode will probably be a bigger one, but this was just a quick update, guys. Cheers.